Hello, welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 27th of July. European equities moving to the upside today, buoyed by strong gains in the Asian markets, as well as anticipation that earnings this week will continue to exceed analysts' estimates as they did last week. The renewed risk appetite led to a pronounced drop in the dollar index, down around 0.5% at its low, as well as a move to the downside in fixed income, with investors also fretting over the $115 billion of new issuance coming to market this week, kicking off with the $6 billion 20-year TIPS auction scheduled for later in the session. However, it is worth noting European equities have trended lower since the open due to light economic calendar, as well as profit-taking after successive gains. In terms of notable earnings today, we've seen Verizon, they marginally exceeded expectations on both EPS and sales, however signalled that trading conditions were still tough after the company said it will eliminate 8,000 further jobs in 2009. Further to that, we saw Corning beat on both EPS and sales estimates too, companies saying that Q3 volumes will be strong and that it will bring back its production workforce. Elsewhere, Honeywell reporting inline EPS at 60 cents, however missed on revenue estimates, the company providing a downbeat outlook, saying that Q3 was to be another tough quarter. That's for Honeywell. On the broker front, Boeing shares coming under some pressure today after Barclays cut company to equal weight from overweight. Their shares down around 1% on the session so far. Bank of America shares, though, did receive a boost after Morgan Stanley said it expects shares to move higher in the back end of this year. On the economic data front, most recently we've seen US new home sales come in way above analyst estimates, rising 11% month on month versus the expected 3%. This was after the median home sale price fell around 12% on the year. New home supply now the smallest since October of 2007. As such, equities in Europe and the US did receive a small lift, while fixed income made a move to the downside. In terms of where we currently stand in the US equity indices, the Dow and SPOOs both up around 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 slightly underperforming, down around 0.2. And in terms of the sector movers in the S&P 500, seeing financials, basic materials and oil and gas leading the move higher, while healthcare, consumer services and utilities all weighing on the index.